Daxx the Dog here. Here's a good manners tip for you. When eating anytime, resist the temptation to lick your fingers. Instead, always find a napkin, at the very least a paper towel. Do this even when you are alone, so you do not slip up and lick your fingers in front of other people. Daxx out.